In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva designs using a tool that allows you to insert a wide range of special characters. Whether you're working on a project that requires scientific symbols, language accents, or even mathematical notations, this feature will be incredibly useful. Let's get started by accessing your Canva document. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Canva account. Once you're logged in, open the specific document you want to work on. It's important to start with your project open so that you can easily integrate the special characters directly where needed. Now look towards the left toolbar of your Canva interface. Here's where you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially a treasure trove of additional features and functionalities that can greatly expand what you can do in Canva. Next, let's utilize the search functionality to find the tool we'll be using. Type Text Character Pro into the search bar. This is a powerful app within Canva that provides a vast array of special characters. Once you've located Text Character Pro, click Open. By doing this, you unlock access to a variety of symbols and characters that can tremendously diversify your design's visual communication ability. When the Text Character Pro library appears on your screen, you'll notice it's divided into several categories. These categories range from general punctuation marks and currency symbols to more specialized ones, like scientific symbols and language-specific characters. This organization makes it really straightforward to browse through and find exactly what you need without getting overwhelmed by options. When selecting your characters, think about the context of your design. For instance, if you're creating something for an international audience, you might consider using language accents or currency symbols that are relevant to different regions. If it's a science-related project, you'll find a comprehensive array of scientific symbols ready to be used. Whatever you choose, this tool is designed to seamlessly integrate these characters into your Canva design, maintaining both format and quality. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to make your Canva designs more dynamic and inclusive. The ability to use a broad selection of special characters can significantly enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your designs, allowing you to add not only flair but also improved communication through visual elements. Keep in mind that this isn't just about adding visual appeal, it's about enhancing your project's inclusivity and precision. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial, and remember to explore all that Canva's app integration can offer for future projects. Happy designing!